Welcome back, art lovers. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be teaching you how to draw the new Titan TV Man upgrade from scratch. So grab your pen and paper, because it's time to unleash your creativity. Then, add 2 guidelines to help us place the facial features accurately. Great job so far. Next, it's time to tackle the body. Start by sketching 2 straight lines downwards from the head for the neck. Then, draw 2 lines that curve outwards, forming the shoulders. Moving on to the legs. Draw 2 straight lines downwards from the bottom of the body for the thighs. Then, continue by sketching 2 more lines for the lower legs. Finish off with rectangular shapes for the feet. Now, let's add the arms. Draw 2 long curved lines extending from the shoulders and then bend them at the elbows. For the hands, sketch 2 simple rectangular shapes at the end of the arms. Wonderful! Wow, our Titan TV Man is really starting to take shape. Let's add some details now. Begin with the Titan emblem on his chest, a large triangle with curved sides. Then, draw some more smaller triangles around the body for added texture. Don't forget those buttons and knobs on the arms and hands. Looking good. There you have it, folks, your very own Titan TV Man upgrade. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting art lessons. Happy sketching!